Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing Python 3.11 on your system and verify it runs from a terminal. Open Visual Studio Code and install the Python extension by Microsoft and Pylons. Create a project folder and run Python mvenv to make a virtual environment. Activate venv in the integrated terminal using the appropriate command for your shell. Then install formatting and linting tools with pip install blackpylon in that active environment. Finally, select the Python 3.11 interpreter from the bottom status bar. Create a file named main.py and write small functions to validate your setup and imports. Run the file using Python main.py in the integrated terminal or use the green Run button at the top right of the editor. Set breakpoints by clicking the gutter and start the debugger to step through code and inspect variables. Generate a basic launch. JSON when prompted to configure arguments and working directory. Use pip install blackpylon to format and lint, then run the formatter to fix style issues automatically. Add tests using PyTest to ensure your functions behave as intended and install PyTest in the same venv. Run PyTest in the terminal to discover and execute tests and watch failures for quick feedback. Use git init, then stage and commit files inside VS Code using the source control pane to track changes. Install Git Lens to explore history, authorship, and file annotations while coding. Enable settings sync to keep extensions, key bindings, and preferences consistent across machines for a reproducible workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.